Hi everybody, welcome back to Facepalm Studio. On today's episode, we are going to be working on a speed model. So what that means is I'm going to be working on a couple different introductions for Facepalm. Like you guys have probably seen the cannonball explosion and the water drop of Facepalm. I'm going to be making this today. So today is going to be a little bit of a different kind of video. I haven't done any 3D modeling in a little while, and I know that I have a couple ideas for a little bit more of these cutaway intros for the channel, something to just kind of make things work a little bit better for everybody. So hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments below if you liked what you saw, and until next time guys, keep creating, save the pain, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.